What's going on, family? Up this morning, I'm about to work on the grill some more. I did a little work over the weekend. As you see, I patched my holes up that was in the front, and got my trays in there with my little handles on them. I'm gonna have to cut my handles down. They well, this one is good, but that one is like a ½ inch too high, so I'm about to cut it down. So I just been using different metal that I have from different little job sites that I kept here. And I knew I was going to build something. So I'm like, let's utilize what I get before I buy anything. And I think that's a asset in this generation because one person's trash is the next person's treasure. Like this tank that I got here. I could have went and bought one from someone, but this was somebody trash. They was like, hey, just come pick it up, man. Get it out the way. You can have it. And I made a smoker out of it. So I like finding deals like that. You know, to me, if you ask me, that's what makes America great. Be able to turn nothing into something. Hog on.